Have you ever tried paying for something online and been hit with 10 different payment options? Credit card, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, maybe even pay with your soul at this point. Now imagine you have to code all of those for every single platform, web, mobile app, and a physical store POS. Congratulations, your class hierarchy just exploded. But the bridge pattern, that's the thing that stops the explosion. By the end of this video, you'll know how exactly to eliminate massive class hierarchies, separate what you do from how you do it, add new features without breaking the old ones, mix and match behaviors like Lego block. And yes, you'll walk away with real C# implementation you can use immediately. This is part of my series Code Like a Senior Dev, where design patterns become actually understandable. If you haven't seen the earlier episodes, especially adapter and prototype patterns, definitely check those out. Alright, picture this. You are building a payment system and you want to support payments like credit card, Apple Pay, PayPal, and on the platforms like web, mobile, and physical store POS or point of service machines. Without the bridge pattern, you end up coding things like web credit card payment, mobile credit card payment, POS credit card payment, web PayPal payment, mobile PayPal payment, POS PayPal payment, and it keeps going until you start questioning your life choices. There has to be a smarter way. Good news? There is, and it's very simple. The bridge pattern splits your logic into two independent things. The abstraction, that is what you do, example, processing a payment. Then there is the implementation. This is how it happens. Example, run it on web, mobile, or POS. These two evolve independently and you can add new platforms or payment methods without touching each other. So let's jump into an example. This is where the bridge pattern becomes obvious. So we are simulating real life. You choose how to pay, credit card, PayPal, Apple Pay. You choose where you're paying, website, mobile, or POS terminal. Bridge lets us mix any payment type with any platform without creating a plethora of new classes. Let's jump right into it. iPayment platform represents the platform on which the payment is being processed. It can be web, mobile, or POS. It has a process payment method that contains the logic how to process a particular payment given a particular payment type. Now, what we do is we'll create platform implementations. So to do that, I'll have a web platform and I would have mobile and POS platform. So these implementations, web, mobile, and POS, know how payments get processed. Now we define what payment is without caring about how platform works. We'll create different payment types that inherit from payment and have a pay method. Depending upon the payment platform that is sent to it, it knows how to process a particular payment. And moving on to the program.cs main method, here's the bridge pattern superpower. You can mix any payment type with any platform. No new classes, no duplicacy, no mess. So what we do here, I'll create a payment 1 and a payment 2. Both the payments are credit card payments, but they are done using different platforms. So the first one is web platform and the second one is mobile platform. Once the payment is created, I call pay method on both, paying $200 and $100 respectively. So once I run this, you see, we have a credit card payment of $200 on web and credit card payment of $100 on mobile, which is exactly what we coded. That's the bridge pattern for you. So why do senior devs use the bridge pattern? Because it keeps big code bases from becoming class jungles, makes your system flexible, lets you scale features independently, avoids inheritance nightmares. Anytime you have two independent dimensions in your system, bridge is your best friend. Smash the like button if this made the bridge pattern finally stick. Make sure you check out the rest of the Code Like a Senior Dev series. Every episode is pure gold for leveling up your architecture game. Thanks for watching, keep learning, and keep coding like a senior dev.